Good afternoon. Welcome back to DeezyVision, coming to you from the Warwick Paradise Island Resort. Now, it isn't too safe to travel right now, and because of that, me and Mac Joe decided that we're going to do a staycation right here at home, so we chose that we're going to stay at the Warwick Paradise Island Resort. Now, in today's video, we're going to be taking a tour of the Warwick Resort. I'm going to show you everything that the Warwick has to offer, and I'm also going to give you a tour of our room. So come on, let's go on the inside. Okay, so before we head onto the inside, I want to show you guys the parking area. This is the area where you park, and also on the other side of that fence there. And when the parking area gets full, they also have supplemental parking that is across the street. And it looks like you can rent bikes to ride around the island, Paradise Island. I just noticed these as I was walking on the inside. And right here we have a tennis court. And there's a basketball rim in the back there too. Not too sure if this is open. I haven't seen anybody out here since I got here, but I assume it is because we just walked through the gate for it. So yeah, this is a tennis and basketball court. And because of health and safety regulations, you have to actually sign in before you check in. So this is the area here where you will sign in before you check into the hotel. As you come inside, to your right, you will see the check-in area where you check in to the hotel. And then we have a little seating area here. See Mac Joe's over there chilling. Then as you go to your left, they have this setup here, I think, where you can actually get books to read. This one here is closed. And you have Junkanoo costume. And you can come here and actually read up on Junkanoo. And then they have what they have called a book nook. You can come and get a book to read and bring it back once you're done with it and get another one. And as the sign says, guests may donate their books to the library. Guests may exchange their book with another book in the library. Books are to be returned prior to guest departure. Books are not to be taken away from the resort. And as we turn, you see the entrance to a boardroom. This is the Alvernia boardroom. And then they have more seating areas right here. Now, I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video that health and safety regulations are in play here. So, guests and employees must wear a mask at all times. They have hand sanitizing stations throughout the hotel, and it is encouraged that you practice safe physical distancing. Here we got the Junkanoo Beat Club. This is where the nightlife happens. It's not open right now because it's afternoon time, but I'm guessing a little later on tonight, this place is going to be open. And right on the side of the entrance, you have a pinball machine. I haven't seen one of these in a long time. In fact, I haven't played pinball in a long time. Okay, and here you have one of the bars. I assume it's called the Rum Key Bar because that's what's on the sign. And this is one of the bars that you can visit to get cocktails and cool off your palate here at Warwick. I think this is one of the recreation areas because I see there's a pool table here, and over in the other corner, foosball. I wonder if that jukebox machine works. Alright, and here you have the hotel gift shop. From what I can see from the outside, you can get t-shirts, swimsuits. Let's go inside and see what else is in here. You can get souvenirs. Rum cake, more souvenirs. You get snacks. Basically all the essentials you'll need. That's with every hotel gift shop. Some sunscreen in the back here if you want to go to the beach or the pool area. Yeah, so basically all the essentials you'll need for your stay here, they have it here in the gift shop. Now this here is concierge service and tour desk. As you can see on the inside there, the majestic tour sign there. So this is where guests can book their tours of the island and whatever else they want to do. And you have another recreational area with a ping pong table. They're showing information that you would need on the bars, restaurants, and the spa. The spa isn't opened because of health and safety guidelines, but the sign here is showing you all the information on the bars and the spas and the restaurants. And here's the Veranda restaurant, on the restaurants here at the Warwick. What they do here, because of the health and safety guidelines, what they do is they rotate restaurants for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And here's a sign here that says, please wait to be seated, please maintain social distancing, wear a mask when not at your table, and please use hand sanitizer upon entry and exit. So we'll be hitting up the veranda during our stay here, so look out for one of the future videos where you'll see stuff from us from the veranda. And here's the beautiful pool area. Man, this pool looks good. Can't wait to jump in. And there are two setups out here. You have the Chick Johnny's bar, and I think the area across the way there is where you can get food. But this pool looks amazing. And they have live music playing, as you can hear. Oh man, I can't wait to jump in here. And here's the area you can get pizza and burgers. I think that's what they told us when we were at the front desk. Yep, definitely. So we'll definitely be back here also. And like I said, health and safety measures are being followed here. Here you can see a sign asking you to please maintain your social distancing. Here's a look at the Chick Johnny's menu, food-wise. Pizza, salad, sandwiches, quesadillas, potatoes, chicken wings, and Bahamian conch fritters. And this is the beach area. You can come and get some salt water. We'll be back here too. We have a view of the bridges that take you over and off of Paradise Island. And then right here is the hog bar. Alright, so just discovered this area. This looks like a sunbathing area. You can come and catch some rays. You're gonna walk. This way looks like it's definitely a seating area. You can come and chill and catch that nice ocean breeze. Oh, this is nice. And from here, you can see straight across from Paradise Island back to Nassau. Just look at it, beautiful. Not sure what that place is across there, but it doesn't seem to be open right now. Beautiful view. Alright, so I'm going to give you a quick tour of the room up here on the 6th floor. And as you first enter, you have a closet space here. Now, this is a nice big closet space too. You have the traditional ironing board and iron, the hangers, laundry bag, basic amenities that you would expect from a hotel. And as we come into the bathroom, see that they have a nice little setup here. I like this wooden surface, suspended sink, and of course, you know, they give you soap and shampoo and conditioner and lotion. And what's a bathroom without a toilet? And then right here, got the tub. Thank you. The baths are gonna be taking place. Getting clean. So as we exit the bathroom, macho. Got some drawers here. Look at that nice bed. Can't wait to sleep in that. That looks very comfortable. We have a side table over there. The floors are a mixture of wood and this big throw rug that they have under the bed here. We got a flat screen TV. And the desk I'll be working from. Nice sitting area over here. Oh, and I did notice that the sockets are a combination of USB and regular plug sockets. And then a little bit of our view. We have an island view room so we can see straight back over to Nassau. Alright, so that does it for our resort and room tour of the Warwick Paradise Island Resort. If you need a little more information on the Warwick, I'm going to put some information in the comments and in the description section, sorry. I'm going to put more information in the description section for you. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. I'll see you in the next video. I'm going to get up out of here. I'm going to enjoy myself. As you can see from the resort tour video, this place is nice and I'm going to definitely enjoy it. So I'll see you in the next video. I'm about to get up out of here, but first, I need y'all to do me a favor.